Hello, my friend, and welcome back to Simple English Hub, the channel where you learn English in simple, clear, and enjoyable ways. Today's lesson is very important, especially if you're a beginner who wants to speak English every day with confidence. We are going to learn common English sentences for daily use, the kind of sentences you can use at home, at work, at school, in shops, on the street, and in conversations. These sentences are small, but they are powerful. They help you build the habit of speaking English in real situations. They help you stop translating. They help you think faster and speak naturally. And most importantly, they help you feel confident, even if you are just starting your English journey. Before we begin, I want to talk about something many learners never admit. Speaking English feels scary when you don't know what to say. Beginners freeze. They panic. They avoid conversations because they fear making mistakes. And it's not because they are bad at English, it's because they don't have ready sentences in their mind. Think of it like driving a car. If you know the roads and you know where to go, you drive confidently. But if you don't know anything, everything feels difficult. English works the same way. When you know the daily sentences, speaking becomes easier, faster, and less stressful. So today, I will teach you the sentences you must know to speak English in daily life. Each sentence will be explained in simple, clear ways with examples, role play, and real-life situations. Let's begin with the simplest and most used sentence. How are you? Every day, people ask this question. It's friendly, polite, and warm. When someone asks, "How are you?" you don't need a long answer. You can say, "I'm good, thank you," or "I'm fine," or "I'm doing well." Even beginners can say these sentences easily. Let's practice imagining a small conversation. You meet a neighbor. They smile and say, "How are you?" You take a breath and say, "I'm good, thank you." And you? This short moment is communication. It builds confidence. It is real English. Now let's learn another daily use sentence. What are you doing? This question is simple but extremely common. People ask it when they want to know your activity at the moment. For example, your friend calls you and says, "Hey, what are you doing?" You can answer with simple phrases like, "I'm studying," "I'm cooking," "I'm working," "I'm watching TV," "I'm resting." These sentences use the present continuous tense, easy to understand and perfect for beginners. Practicing these sentences helps you speak naturally about your daily life. Another important sentence is, "Where are you going?" You can use this when someone is leaving the room, walking outside, or getting ready to travel. For example, your brother stands up and grabs his keys. You ask, "Where are you going?" He answers, "I'm going to the store," or "I'm going to work," or "I'm going home." See how simple it is? These small sentences create real communication. Let's continue with another useful sentence. I don't understand. This sentence is your best friend when learning English. Many beginners feel embarrassed to say it, but it is completely normal. It is also polite and honest. For example, when someone speaks too fast, you can say, "Sorry, I don't understand." If a teacher uses a difficult word, you can say, "I don't understand this word." Saying this sentence does not show weakness. It shows confidence. It shows you want to learn. Every good English speaker has said this sentence many times. One more daily use sentence is, "Can you help me?" This simple question is very powerful in real life. You can use it in a supermarket, at school, in the office, or even at a train station. For example, you can say, "Can you help me find this?" Or, "Can you help me with this form?" People appreciate polite requests, and this sentence opens the door to communication. Another essential sentence is, "Can you repeat that?" If you don't hear something clearly, or if the speaker talks too fast, just say, "Can you repeat that?" It is simple, polite, and very common. Many beginners make the mistake of pretending they understood. But pretending does not help your English. Asking questions does. So, use this sentence often. Let's add more daily use sentences to strengthen your English. For example, what time is it? Useful every day. If someone asks you this question, you can answer, "It's 10 o'clock," or "It's 6:30." Another useful sentence is, "I'm busy right now." You can use it when someone wants to talk, but you are working. Also, the sentence, "I'm tired," is simple but common. You can use it at home, at work, or with friends. Another essential sentence is, "Let's go," a simple phrase used when you want to leave together with someone. Now, let's do some daily use Q&A practice in a narration-friendly style. Imagine I am speaking to you directly. I ask, "How are you?" and you answer, "I'm good, thank you." I ask, "Where are you going?" and you answer, "I'm going to work." I ask, "What are you doing now?" You answer, "I'm studying English." I ask, "Do you understand?" And if you don't, you say, "No, I don't understand." I ask, "Can you help me?" And you answer, "Yes, I can help you." These small question and answer moments train your brain to respond in English automatically. Now, I want to share a small story that shows why these daily sentences are important. A student named Rosa once told me that she never spoke English outside the classroom. She said, "Teacher, I don't know what sentences to use." So I taught her these simple daily use sentences. One day she went to a bakery and the worker asked, "How are you?" She answered, "I'm good, thank you." Then she said, "Can I have some bread, please?" That was all, only 2 small sentences. But Rosa felt proud. She said, "Teacher, I spoke English." That moment changed her confidence. And that is the power of simple sentences. They make real communication possible.